where the marking lines are, and I'm very gently pressing down with the knife, just enough so that I'll be able to pull threads through. My mini matchbox loom now to get started working with it. This is what I'm going to be using, and I leave a long tail, and I'm going to start pulling it through. Take it around behind and continue. And then I take both ends and tie it in the back, just so that it doesn't move when I'm weaving. Just do simple overhand knots. This is a very small loom, and it's going to be for creating earrings. This is a thin t-shirt fabric to weave, and I cut the strips quite narrowly, but I need to make a point so I can thread it through the needle. If I don't manage to thread it like this, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting a bit of glue on it, but I might manage to get it through. If I don't, I'll glue the tip, and then it'll be easy to push through. Can't see a damn thing. Okay, it's in, and I'm going to start weaving. Under, over, over, under. And because it's a matchbox, I can move the edge of it slightly. I'll pull it. And then the next row is I'm going to start under, over, under, over, under. And I pull it, and then what I need to do is I need to push them down. This is an experiment. We'll see what it looks like afterwards. Again, under, over, under, over, under. Now it's finished under, so what I'm doing now is I'm going over, under, over, under, and over. And then I'll pull it gently, and then I push it down. You can use a fork, you can use your fingers, you can use the needle. And this time I finished on top, so I'll be going under, over, under, over, and under. And then I pull it. It's very simple. Push it down. I want some texture here. The finished size. What I need to do now is to take it off and to tuck the edges in, and then to decorate it for an earring. Okay, let's see what happens now. I cut it. I need to take it off, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them all via the center and see what happens. Okay, I think I can take it off now. I formed that little piece of woven fabric into a circle, and it's going to be the base for an earring, and I've already created one of them. Lots and lots of slow stitching today. It's intuitive and it's soothing, and that's very much needed in these days.